Hey guys, it's me, Desiree Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all of you who are subscribed, my crew members, and welcome if you have never seen me or you are just stopping by for the first time. I'm Desiree Marie and I do lots of lock videos. I bring you guys along with me as I wash, maintain, and style my hair. I bring you guys along with me as I show you the ups and downs of my lock journey. I've been locked for about 2 years now, so if you're interested in seeing what my journey looks like, definitely do hit the subscribe button. I upload almost every day and I also do other types of videos as well, so yeah, you're always bound to get something cool here on this channel. But anyway, today I want to address a question that one of you guys asked. As I was doing this treatment, the bentonite clay mask treatment, I was thinking about one question that one of you asked, and that was, how do you wash your hair after you do the mask? It's a very thick detox. Let me just show you what my hair looks like. It's thick and it's muddy. It looks like mud. It's clay. A lot of people are concerned that this clay detox will stick and stay inside of their hair, which pretty much scares a lot of people from even doing it, and I think that's absolutely absurd. Here I'm going to show you exactly how I wash my hair after doing this detox, in hopes that it encourages you to try the detox and get over your fear, because all you need to know is how to effectively get this stuff out of your hair, and you can do it and really see the benefits that it adds to your hair. So don't be afraid. I'm going to show you how I wash my hair after doing this mask. So why am I doing this mask? I'm doing this to lift the dirt that might be inside of my hair to the surface, so that I can wash the dirt or build up whatever is inside of my hair out. Me personally, I don't think my hair is dirty, but there might be little elements from the environment, things that I may have not even realized are inside of my locks, like cotton from maybe something that I wore throughout the week or whatever. I'm doing this as a preventative I'm doing this to prevent anything from happening, and to take out whatever might be inside of my hair anyway, just so that I have nice, clean, growing locks. So this is a great mask for you to do twice a year. I do not recommend doing it over and over and over again, because it is very heavy and potent. So yeah, that is why I'm doing this, and I'm going to show you how I wash my hair. So as far as the water setting, I'm going to turn this to medium hot. This way, when I put my head under the water, the clay can have a chance to melt. So let's just get that started now. Okay, so now that I have my water set to medium hot, I'm just putting my head under the shower head so that the water can just rinse through my hair and loosen up the hard clay. As you can see, I'm not using any vigorous movements. I'm just softly using my fingers to softly roll the clay out, and the hot water really does a great job in melting the mask, because it's so solid and very clay-like. The hot water melts the mask and prepares me to be able to wash my hair after. So now I'm just rubbing my scalp so that the clay can loosen up on the scalp as well. And this is the basis by which I will continue with that BROO shampoo that you see in the background right there. That is my conditioning shampoo of choice. Okay, so now that I have rinsed the clay, you do see a little bit more left, but I'm going to attack the rest of it with my conditioning shampoo. So I'm going to put that all over my head, and yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so now I'm going in with my BROO conditioning shampoo, but first I'm grabbing my banana clip so that I can section my hair in a way that's very much more easy and manageable to shampoo. The clay mask is all over my head. I want to be able to get every single section of my hair without missing a lock or a section. Now that I've got my favorite shampoo in hand, I am using a generous amount of shampoo on my hair. I am not holding back because I need all of this shampoo in my hair right now. So first I start off by just gently massaging my scalp so that it can also loosen up the hard clay that might still be there. And now I am washing my hair individually. I am going in through different sections and gently tugging at my locks so that all of the dirt that was pulled up to the surface while using the bentonite clay mask can have a way of leaving my lock and not staying there. It is so important that you take your time while doing this because you definitely don't want to miss a section or miss a lock and end up with buildup that you were trying so hard to get out of your hair while doing the bentonite clay mask. So right now I'm just going in and rubbing my scalp and the areas that I probably missed on the nape of my hair and around the edges, giving myself a gentle head massage to loosen up whatever I may have missed. And there we go. Right, so now I'm going to turn the water to medium cool with just a hint of warm, so it's going to be lukewarm. Switching the water temperature to lukewarm will help to loosen up the shampoo and also to hydrate your hair, especially if you are using a conditioning shampoo like I am. The lukewarm water helps to seal the cuticles so that you keep the moisture in your hair that the conditioning shampoo is trying to offer you. Always remember that while you're washing to use your banana clips so that you can access every part of your hair, and also give yourself a good head massage in the shower. That loosens up the shampoo, the clay mask, and any type of buildup. Gently squeezing your hair also further helps your hair to get rid of the buildup that was pushed up to the surface as a result of the clay mask. I truly cannot stress enough how important it is to take your time. When I used to do this hair mask, which was just one time back in March, but I realized that there was an error in how I washed my hair after using the bentonite clay mask. I simply got in the shower and washed my hair and jumped right out within like minutes. I was not attentive to my hair. I did not take the time to listen to my hair and feel my hair. So really take some time to just communicate with your hair and see if there are any problem areas that you may need to go and shampoo again, because the chances are you may not get everything out all in one shampoo. You may have to shampoo your hair again. But just know that no one has to be afraid of doing this bentonite hair mask, because it is very possible to wash every bit of clay out of your hair with just a little patience and some TLC. So that is how I wash my hair after doing the bentonite clay mask. Hopefully you guys were inspired and learned a thing or two about how I wash my hair afterwards and how you get a really clean look after doing the hair mask. I know it's really scary to even think about putting clay in your hair, but believe me, the results are so sweet. You get to detoxify your hair and really reset it for the new season ahead with clean, growing hair. So don't be afraid to do the Aztec bentonite clay mask. Just really take some time to wash your hair and you will love it. You will not have any buildup. I don't have buildup. You will not have buildup. Try it out for yourself, and yeah, let me know down below if you have any additional key points to add and help us all out with the Aztec clay mask. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Do check out where I washed my hair. That's like a previous video that I'm probably gonna upload before this one, but please check that video out where I washed my hair and I give you guys a little bit of an update. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you are not subscribed, definitely do subscribe for many more videos like this. Thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, bye.